Narissa. I saw it. She tweeted, so I thought this is my chance. Okay. I woke up and I saw she posted. I think it was her schedule 4 minutes before. That's why. You wonder why it wasn't a DM? Because I opened up Twitter and I saw her tweet, so I thought, oh, maybe she's on Twitter right now. That's all. Ow. That's all.
And you didn't think the Waffles would be on Twitter?
Huh? I saw that Narissa was on Twitter, so... Huh?
We're just teasing you, Mococo-chan. Wow, the Waffles are always on Twitter. It's true. It's true.
Don't be hurt.
Wow. Mococo-chan. Waffles, you know she's just a stinky bird, right? Not you, Moco-chan.
I thought maybe it was me.
Papa.
Right, you thought Fuwawa called me a stinky
No,
bird.
Moco-chan is not a stinky bird. Fuzzy though, you're not stinky, you're fuzzy.
I'm not a bird.
You're not a bird either.
I'm Mococo!
I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Bless me.